Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the error message, "We couldn't complete the updates," or "Doing changes don't turn off your computer," that you might encounter while installing Windows updates. And now let's get started. If you are facing an issue where Windows is unable to complete updates and displays a message to not turn off your computer, there are a few solutions you can try. First, we need to ensure that all Windows Update-related services are running correctly. To do this, click on the search button in the bottom left corner of your screen, type Services, and then click on the Services app from the best match results. This will open a window displaying all services running on your computer. Locate Windows Update in this list. Check the status column to ensure it is running. If it is not running, double-click on it. In the General tab, if the service is stopped, click on the Start button. Then, set the startup type to automatic, click Apply, and then click OK. Once this is done, proceed to check the Windows Installer service. Find Windows Installer in the same list. Right-click on it, select Properties, click on Start if it is not running, and ensure the startup type is set to automatic. Click Apply, and then OK. Close the Services window. Next, verify that your computer's time is synchronized with the server time. Click on the Start button, then click on Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to Time and Language on the left-hand side. Click on Date and Time. Under this section, go to Additional Clocks, then select Internet Time. Click on Change Settings. Make sure time.windows.com is selected as the server, and then click on Update Now. Click OK. Then click Apply. At the same time, you can also select the option that says Sync Now to immediately synchronize your Windows time with the server. This will ensure your system clock is accurate. Close this window. Now restart your computer. After the restart, try installing the updates again. Go to the Start button, then Settings, and then Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates to see if there are any available. If the updates install successfully, you are all set. If you are still encountering the same error message, we will proceed to the next step, which involves running diagnostic tools using the command prompt. Search for command prompt and right-click on it, then select Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes or Continue. In the elevated command prompt window, you will run 3 diagnostic commands. These commands will be provided in the video description for you to copy and paste. The first command is Dism.exe/online/cleanup-image/ScanHealth. Press Enter. This command will deploy the Deployment Image Servicing and Management tool to check the health of your computer's component store. This process may take about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your computer's performance. Wait until the process reaches 100%. You should see a message indicating whether component store corruption was detected. Once the ScanHealth is complete, you will run the next command for CheckHealth. You can copy and paste this command from the video description. Press Enter. Again, wait for this process to complete, which also takes about 5 to 10 minutes. You will see a message confirming the completion of the ScanHealth. After the CheckHealth command finishes, you will run a third command to restore the health of your system. Copy and paste this command from the video description. Press Enter. This command will attempt to restore any identified issues. Wait for this restoration process to complete, which will also show a progress percentage. Once all 3 commands have been executed successfully, restart your computer. After the restart, go back to Start, then Settings, and then Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates and attempt to install all available updates. With these steps, you should now be able to install all the necessary updates on your computer. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.